So we have to do this question subset 1. We have given an array nums of an integer return array of nums of all subset of array nums. Output can return in any order. So basically we have given this array nums which has an integer. We have to return array of a sum of all subsets. We have to return array of sum of all subset of the array nums. Output can return in any order. So basically we have given a 2 3, so we have to return the sum of all subsets. Sum of all subset, one subset can be 2, other subset can be 3, and other subset can be only 0, and other subset can be 2 and 3. So we have to return all the, we have to return sum of all subsets. So what will return? 2 sum is only 2, 3 sum is only 3, so 0 sum is only 0, and 2 3 sum is 5. So we have to return this 2 3 0 5. So we have to return the sum of all subsets. So I think this is a recursion problem. So at first what we will do, we actually take this array and apply a basic recursion at the left branches. Left side I will act as like I will pick up this element. On the right branch I will made a recursion this way, like I do not pick this element. So likewise I will explore the recursion in this manner. So over here, if I directly go to the code and write it down, because it's a very simple problem. So let over here equals to nums dot length over here. So this is a simple problem of recursion. And if I talk about the base cases over here, base case would be like if I reach the at the end of, if at the end, then it is the exhausted condition. At that time I just have to put the element in the array, or basically to put, if I exhaust the array, so put the sum in the final array and just put the sum in the final array and just return from there like this. This is the one base case I can think of, and this time will apply the basic equation to this question. So this is the length of the array. Let's have find array which will store all the answer, which is ANS. And apart from that I need total sum. I will carry the sum in the recursion also. Sum equals to 0, total sum, this dot get started set sums like this. And over here I will pass ANS and I need total sum, and I will pass the given array over here, and then I just have to return the code. At the end I just have to return this ANS array. Now let's go and write the recursion. This is the recursion. This is ANS over here, total sum over here, nums over here, fine. And over here we will write the base cases. If and I need an IDX, which is basically an index to iterate over the given array. At any point, if my IDX is equals to n, basically I have exhausted the given array, and then what you do, ANS dot push total sum, and just return in the array, just push the total sum, return this dot get subset sum. What you do over here, ANS and total sum plus nums IDX over here, total sum nums over here, and IDX plus 1 over here, and this is a right branch. I will not take this element, and as a total sum, as in nums, as in integers, simply, and just going to sum it out. Ns dot push total sum plus x plus y. Okay, this is true. Let's go and submit it. It is submitted. So basically over here what is happening, we are carrying the total sum instead of taking a different different array to carry the array of elements. I'm carrying over here a total sum as a sum. So over here total sum at first is 0. I will add it up to the initial value of array, so it will be added over here like this. And this is a backtracking step because over here we are passing the total sum as a value, so we don't have to explicitly do the current.pop, something like that. So over here, like, this will act as a backtracking step. So at the end I will able to generate the total number of combination which has a kind of total sum of which has a sum of the given subsets.